Deleting a deploy in Netlify is a simple process that helps you manage your site's history and remove unnecessary deployments. Here's how to delete a deploy in Netlify. Sign into Netlify. Visit Netlify and sign in with your account credentials. Access the deploy section. Once logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Sites and select the site where the deployment was made. View deployment history. On your site dashboard, click on Deploys from the left-hand menu. This will show you a list of all past deployments for the selected site. Select the deploy to delete. Locate the specific deploy you wish to delete. You can filter deployments by branch, date, or other criteria if needed. Delete the deploy. Once you find the deploy you want to delete, click the options icon next to it and select Delete Deploy. Confirm deletion. A confirmation dialog will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the deploy. Confirm the deletion by clicking Delete. Monitor deletion. After deleting the deploy, Netlify will remove the associated files and no longer display that deploy in the deploy history.